your business to be known nationally and internationally? Wouldn't you love for your business to be featured in publications such as Forbes, Yahoo, Vogue, and to be on TV shows such as This Morning, The One Show, and Good Morning America? Just think about it. I know you're probably saying to yourself, Nikki, I don't know how to get PR for my business, or Nikki, I cannot afford PR for my business. It's just too expensive. Well, don't worry. I'm here to talk about ways, affordable ways for you to secure PR for your business, tested and proven by myself. Hi everyone, it's Nikki. Welcome back to Crown Connective. And on this channel, we talk about all things business, startups, wholesalers and manufacturers, and general entrepreneurial information. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in and you need to know, please click the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post more content. So yes, my lovelies, I'm going to jump straight in here today, talking about affordable ways that you can get PR for your business, whether you're a small business, a large scale business, a new business, whatever it is. As long as you are a business and you need PR, this is the video for you. The ways that I'm going to be talking about securing PR are tested and proven by myself. So I'm just basically giving you information that I am aware of and sharing it out there to anybody else that may need some help securing PR for their business. So the first thing / step that you need to be aware of when it comes to gaining PR for your business is exposure. The reason why I want to talk about exposure being the first thing that you need to be aware of is because exposure for your business can be sometimes overwhelming, but it's also something that you need to be mentally prepared for, and also that your brand needs to be prepared for. So what I mean by that is when you approach these publications and they give you the green light and they say, yes, we want to feature your article and we're going to publish your article, you have to be mentally prepared for the exposure that your brand is going to get, because this article that is being published is going to be in the public domain. So what that means is once the article is published, it's out there for everyone nationally and internationally to read. What sometimes happens from these published articles is you may receive emails following up about the article that was published. So it might be other publications reaching out to you saying that they want to write an article about you, or they would like for you to write some content for them. You might get new customers from said article being published. You might get emails from potential customers or clients question you about your business and your services. So realistically, you have to be mentally prepared and ready for the exposure that will be resulted from the article being published. Also, business wise, you need to be ready for the exposure. So what I mean about that is you don't want the publication saying to you, yes, we're going to publish your article. And just another bit of information as well, when they do publish your article, they do add in your social media pages and also points of contact. So people will be feeding over to your website and your social media pages. So in regards to having the business ready for the exposure, you need to make sure that you're actively posting on social media. You need to make sure that your website is up and running properly, that your social media pages are, aesthetically pleasing, and that you're posting content quite frequently, so it's not a redundant page. So yeah, just make sure that the business is ready for the exposure, and also make sure that you are mentally ready for the exposure, because it can be sometimes slightly overwhelming. But yeah, so that is the first thing that you need to be aware of. The next thing that you need to be aware of when approaching publications is you need to be ready and able to pitch your business in a short sentence. No long essays about what your business does. The pitch needs to be short and sweet. You should be able to just basically send them a short email, about 3 to 4 sentences, paragraphs, basically saying who you are, what your business is about, what you do, who your target audience is, and then also explain to the publicist what topics you can talk about. The reason why I want to mention this is because I don't want you to approach these publications, let's just say, as a beauty brand owner, saying to them that you can only write topics just about beauty. Okay, you need to let the publicist know that you're able to talk about a range of topics. So let's just say that you have a beauty business and you're going to approach a publication. You want to pitch in a sense and let them know that you can speak about beauty, that you can speak about business topics, that you can speak about women in business. Anything that you've had any prior experience in or current experience in, note it down and think about, what ways that you can pitch yourself to let them know that you can talk about a range of topics. Don't just pigeonhole yourself and your brand in just one niche. Let them know that, yes, I am a beauty business owner, but I have a wealth of knowledge and experience in such and such, and I can talk about these topics, okay? So when you're pitching to them, let them know you can talk about various different topics. The next thing that you want to do is create a dream list. What is this dream list? You're probably thinking. The dream list is a list of publications that you want your brand to be featured in. I would advise for you to create between 20 and 30 names on the list. So just put down 20 and 30, between 20 and 30 publications that you would like your brand to be featured in. Save this list, focus on this list and really start to believe that, yes, I can and I am going to be featured in these publications. It's okay if you don't get featured into all 30 or 20 of the publications, but you will get featured in some. Okay, so write down the list, save it, and make sure that you have it ready so that when you are approaching these publications, you know who you're approaching. And it's nice that you can, sometimes write down a list, pitch yourself, and then get told that yes, because you can look back at the list and say, oh, do you know what? I wrote this down and it actually manifested and turned into my reality. So definitely write down your dream list of publications that you want to be in and just see what happens. So the next thing that I would advise you to do, so this is the thing that I did, and I'm just going to share this information just to put a disclaimer out there. This is not a sponsored video, so when I do mention this company, it's not a sponsored ad, it's not a sponsored video, it's just something that I've personally used, and I want to share that information back to anybody out there who needs help with finding affordable PR. So you've written down your dream list. You've got yourself ready mentally and physically and brand ready for basically contacting publications and being told yes. So what you need to do now is you need to join up to a company called PR for the People. Okay, this company is amazing. It literally is what it says. It is PR for the people. It is affordable PR for people out there who have businesses and they have no clue about how to get PR for their business. I was with this company back in 2020/2021 when I launched Crown Connective, and I had no prior PR for my business beforehand, but when I joined PR for the People, I'm telling you, I learned so much, and the PR that I got from PR for the People was just amazing. So if we head over to their website, they have two options. They have the membership package and also the workshop package. When I started initially, I was just on the membership, When I started, it was £25 per month, but I'm sure that the membership package has increased in price. So just double check what the membership package is now. But I do believe there is a wait list. So if you do want to join their membership, you will have to sign up to the wait list. And when there are spaces available, they will contact you to let you know. But yes, with the membership package, you basically get loads of perks. You will be sent an email, and in that email there will be a spreadsheet, and it will basically have a contact list of publications and publicists that you should be contacting for your business niche. So you will have a conversation with Lucy, or you may have a conversation with somebody else, just to introduce yourself, introduce your business, so they can have a better understanding about what your business is about and what you do. From there, they will be able to go off and get the right contacts that you need for your business. You just have to give it to them. That is amazing. For me, what I loved was the fact that I was able to sit down and speak to the owner and founder of the business, being Lucy, for her to understand what my business is about, and then for her to go off and do that work for me and basically generate a list of contacts specifically dedicated for my business niche. I really appreciated that, and it was just amazing. So that's one of the things that they do. With that, it allows you to have a clear vision of who you should be contacting and what publications you should be contacting for your business. Also, there are workshops available where I think it's sometimes weekly. It may have changed, but when I was with them, it was weekly workshops where you join Zoom. We are introduced to publicists from different publications. They basically give you all of the information that you need to know about what said publications are looking for, tips and advice on how you should be writing your pitches, things that you should be including, and also they provide their contact details so you can contact them also. There's many other perks with the membership package, but yeah, so that was that. What I have noticed is on their website now, they have a workshop package. So there's a membership package and a workshop package. I'm loving the workshop package because, back to what I was saying earlier about affordable PR, it's affordable. It's $19.99, okay? So if you're saying to yourself that you do not have money for PR, you do, okay? You do have money for PR. $19.99 is affordable. If you head over to the website, you'll see there's different workshop packages available. Going through the description of these, it clearly states that you will be able to have a one-to-one session. So that will obviously help you with creating your pitches. You also have the Zoom meetings that you have in the membership package. And that's where you'll see, the journalists for specific publications that match the niche of your business, and get information and a clearer understanding about what those publications want, okay? So whatever is affordable for you or beneficial for your company, I would suggest in your own time to head over to the website and basically have a look at the packages available and decide what is best suited for you and for your affordability, because it's all about affordability, okay? So yes, PR for the people is the brand, the company that you need to join to get the PR ball rolling for your company. So if you don't know about them, now you know. If you haven't joined them, what are you waiting for? It's time. Get ready, get the PR sorted, head over to PR for the people and get signed up, okay? So, my lovelies, I mentioned earlier on in the video about, featuring in TV shows such as This Morning, The One Show, Good Morning America. I know you're probably thinking, okay, how do I get into these publications? Okay, it's cool. I'm gonna let you know. So when you get your articles published, what you want to do is you want to build up a portfolio / resume of all of the PR that you've had for your brand. From there, I would say after about 5 to 6 good, strong articles in some real notable publications, okay, you also in the midst of getting these publications, approving your articles and publishing these articles, you need to be building up your social media presence and also showing yourself on camera a lot more. Okay, I'm not saying you can't, because anything's possible out there, but approaching shows such as This Morning and The One Show, okay, saying to them that you want to be featured, in a segment on their show talking about your business or something related to your business, they want to see what you are like on camera. They want to see if you have confidence. They want to see if you can articulate yourself properly, okay? You need to either start going live on your Instagram channels or creating a YouTube channel talking about topics relating to your business, so that when you approach these TV shows, you can say, okay, here are the articles I've been published, and here is my social media channels, here's my YouTube channel, so they can see what you are like on camera, if you have the confidence, and if you know what you're talking about, okay? So one thing at a time. Get the PR, okay? Get the publications to approve your pictures and get the articles written up and published. After that, start, building up that confidence, talking on camera. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I started first, I hated talking on camera, okay? You're always in your mind about silly little things, but just one step at a time, just start to build up the confidence. Even if you have to pre-record videos and you don't want to go live on Instagram, pre-recording videos and uploading them, just do something to start to show yourself, show your confidence, and let the companies know that you can be, talk on camera, you do have the confidence and you're ready. So yes, my love. Oh, and before I go, just to let you know, okay, when approaching these publications about, having a feature, you need to be pitching newsworthy content. What I mean by that is, you don't want to just approach publication and say, okay, I want to pitch you an article about back to the beauty brand, contouring, or makeup for oily skin. No, you want to be talking about trending topics. So let's bring it back to the beauty brand. You might want to talk about TikTok trends that are taking off in regards to the beauty sector. You might want to talk about, let's just say it's Women's Day. So what publications will be doing as well when it comes around to Women's Day, they would want a lot of articles around the topic of Women's Day. So you could write an article about women in business, women empowerment. Just make sure that you are writing newsworthy and relevant topics, okay? Because you'll have a more greater chance of your article being picked up if you write about relevant, newsworthy, trending topics. So yes, my lovelies, hopefully this was helpful to someone out there. If there are any other recommendations that you would like to share, please put it in the comments section. But I am going now, and I will see you again next week. Take care. Bye.